In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change stanstore currency. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is www.stan.store. From in there, proceed to click onto the sign up option in order to create an account, or you can also click onto this continue option right here. Now, if you wish to log in into an already created account, just click onto this login option that we can find into this part. Here is my actual dashboard. So into this part, in order to change your currency, head over to your left sidebar, which is this part. Click onto this settings. In here, head over to the actual option called payments. Proceed to click on payments right here. And then from in there, you can see that you can actually see the payment methods we have, marketing consents, terms and conditions, and the like. We have in here our store checkout language, and this can also add right here our actual checkout currency. So if you change it, for example, on other language, it will change the currency from there as well. Now, do take note that the country or region that you're in will determine your current currency onto this part. You can just input right here the address and the likes in order to edit it out according to your actual region. So do take note that you need to have that ready as well under the payments, and make sure to register a Stripe or also accept payments through PayPal in order to navigate or get more accessibility with other customers. So that's all there is today. I hope this video will actually help you out with everything you need regarding changing your currency on your stand store. Thank you so much for watching.